Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be teaching you how to use charts to make your data more visible and a little bit better to visualize and see. Now, first, I'm going to have you always, like always, sign into your Google account, make or use an existing Google Sheets today. Instead of creating my own, I'm going to be using my new existing one, already existing one. This is statistics. Last year, junior year, we did heights for boys and girls. And so what you're going to want to do to create a chart is you're going to want to highlight your data, whatever you want. You're going to put insert. You're going to go up here, go to insert, and you're going to want to go to chart. This will bring up a whole new chart. At the moment, it's just a line chart. You can change that however you'd like. In the right side, this thing will pop up, and you can do dots. You can do a scatter chart. You can do a smooth line chart. You can do a area chart. You do all sorts of different charts. Right now, we'll just do line chart. You can switch the rows and columns, so that way it will be boys and girls or it will be the numbers instead of the boys and girls. And then we have, whoa, that changed a lot. And then you can customize it however you would like. You change the text, whatever you'd like. Just kind of got to play around with it, and it should work out for you. And that is how you insert a chart based off of data in your Google Sheets. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.